Hello again, guys. Welcome to my channel. If your first time here on my channel, please like and share my video. For today's daily cipher Morse code is Oracle. The first letter is O. Dash dash dash. Dash dash dash. And for our second letter R, dot dash dot dot dash dot. And for our third letter A, dot dash dot dash. And for our fourth letter C, dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot. And for our fifth letter is dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot. And lastly, for our sixth letter to get to decipher Morse code is E. Dot. We can now take the 1M token for the decipher Morse code. Thank you.